Hello everyone! Today we are back in Highland Park, Illinois, where I've done many vlogs. Today we are at the Heller Nature Center. Now I'm not sure exactly what to expect here, but there are some nature trails. So on this very warm summer day, we're going to do a little bit of walking. Let's check it out. We are right here, next to the Nature Center and parking lot. We're going to check out some of these trails. See what we can find. Hopefully there are lots of maps like this, so I don't end up getting lost. The first thing I think I want to check out is this Wander Woods Nature Play Space. There seems to be some sort of a platform over here, which seems interesting. Let's check it out. Looks like a treehouse. Pretty cool. I don't see an Azelman on it, so I may have to go up there. This sign says I'm supposed to create something. Apparently with this muddy water. Yeah, I can't really create anything. Here I'm supposed to listen. And I don't really hear much, which actually is pretty nice. Now this I can do. That was exciting, I guess. Now this looks like fun. Here we can splash. Of course I don't see a lot of water to splash. Except more mud. Well, we gotta try this. I have to say, will this work? I'm not thinking so, but let's find out. Oh, look at that. We have water. Nice and cool. Alright. Now here we can build, but it looks like someone has already done the building for me. Now this looks like fun. The ground is pretty hard though here, so I don't know how well digging would be. Now I have to definitely check this out. This is the tunnel. And we made it. Well, nothing in here, unfortunately, but that is okay. Appears there's some sort of story thing that is told while you're walking down the trail. Pretty interesting. Now, I don't know how much of these trails I'm going to be able to walk today because it is very warm, but I think at first, let's head to the pond. One last look at our tree house over there. It's not too bad in the shade, but it is very warm if you're out in the sun. We are here, and we gotta head this way. And here is the pond. Interesting. Not quite what I was expecting. Going on the Blue Trail and the stories. A pretty cool log cabin over here. Not sure if we can go inside or not. Oh, this is pretty nice. And it's out of the sun. We don't need a fire today, that is for sure. Well, I think for today, I'm just going to walk around the green loop, and that'll be it. It's just way too warm. I wanted to check this red one out, but looks like it's a total of a mile, and it's just too warm to do that today. So, I'll definitely have to come back. I suspect that it's pretty nice looking down here in the fall, so it might be worth checking out then. So let's finish up the green loop. I believe there is a beehive somewhere on display here, but I don't need to check that out. Not interested in that. And that is the Heller Nature Center in Highland Park, Illinois. Between the Wander Woods and the Story Walk, this is a great place to explore nature with your children. Thank you for watching this video. Click the like button if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And check out Memories by Wayne on Facebook and Instagram as well. Thank you for watching.